If your skin becomes dry, dull, or flaky every winter, stop scrolling. Because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 7-day aloe vera routine that can completely transform your skin, and you can do it at home starting today. Let's begin. Take 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. Cut off the thorny edges on both sides, then slice it open from the center. Now here's the step most people skip, and that's why aloe feels itchy on their face. Place the leaf, gel side down, in a bowl of clean water for 10 to 20 minutes. This removes the yellow latex, which is the part that irritates your skin. After soaking, the aloe becomes gentle, cooling, and perfect for daily use. Next, scrape out the clear aloe gel using a spoon and store it in a clean jar. This gel will last you 7 days. Now how to use it. Apply the aloe gel twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Massage it only for 1 to 2 minutes and let it absorb naturally. Don't wash it off. Aloe vera doesn't just moisturize. It tightens your skin, heals dry patches, calms irritation, and keeps your skin hydrated even in cold winter weather. You'll notice changes quickly. By day 3, your skin feels softer. By day 5, dryness reduces. By day 7, your face looks smoother, brighter, and naturally glowing. If you want more easy, natural skincare routines like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you more simple remedies that actually work. Try this 7-day aloe routine and let me know your results in the comments.